My daughter got 3 goals, and I couldn't be happier. She's really doing quite awesome at hockey. There we saw Ovechkin. We took our here's my daughter and my dog. We took well, you can't see, it's too far away. Took them for some beautiful walks there yesterday. We celebrated yesterday Ovi's big goal there as well. Go join. Who's this guy? Go join us, on all of our socials. Make sure you do hit the like and the subscribe. And we'll be back here. Neil and I will be back at 2 p.m. And yeah, so still 700 handles. We have the bottom of the market today. And the thing about it is pretty lucky to have it, but at the same time, it was the patience that hit. We had the patience, and then we actually put our balls on the table and took shares. So we actually wanted to make today something special. And it was that. I mean, you don't have these days. This is a very, very unique. The NASDAQ moved 10% today from top to bottom. Like, that's huge, right? And so when you have a move like that, whether or not it was 9.5 or 10%, that was a monster move. So to be able to now say that we participated in this kind of a day, we did it live for everybody, and we got that. So I mean, we're very, very pleased with the way trading's been going today. Hold on, that's not even the TQs. There it is. That's what it's looking like right now, up to 42 and change. So yeah, so far so good there. But yeah, I don't really know too much else to talk about. I've been talking obviously a lot about these trades all morning. We did have Palantir. This really set it. Like, normally this would have been this is one of my top net days on Palantir today, but being dwarfed by the TQs. We actually had that 70 break right there, bang, up to $80 right there, up to the upside, and it just went absolutely monstrous. So Neil, I know I've been saying that I've been having a huge day over here. How's your day been going? And any words for these guys before we leave?
Well, it's obviously a special day. It's easy to be green on a day like today if you caught any kind of a long, because it should dwarf anything, even if you short it, which I did short Walmart. I did short Walmart. There's no question about it. Like, of course I'm going to short it when we liked it at our levels. We took our shots at it. You could argue there was a couple of times that I could have taken more out to the downside, but I think in this market you want to try to let it run. So I don't mind that we lost on this name, but I did say, like, find something that you like. And could I have had more? I thought it was free money. Free money is the wrong word. I thought it was high probability money on Walgreens, because if the market turned, great. If the market didn't turn, it was at a price that didn't make any sense. So we were able to take a shot at that one. And it's going to continue to hold off VWAP. Amazon, of course, has been good. Intel probably got out of that one a little bit too early. But at the end of the day, if you want to stay consistent, everybody, just remember, be specific. Like, if you like VWAP, like if you try to buy the dip on that last move, it looked like we were bouncing, but some of these candles, like, this is $3 of $3 consolidation for 15 to 20 minutes in Amazon. That's huge volatility, and it is. And then the second it tests VWAP, it just bounces right clean away from it. So that shows you how particular you have to be about your entry points in there. You could be, if you were long in here, yeah, sure, it ended up holding at VWAP, but you really would have been, put to the test down there, holding at $3, $4 against you. So just be careful. Try to manage your risk. I don't want to say keep it tight to the vest, but try to manage your risk so that you're not losing more than when the bounces that you're able to catch here. So obviously, we've had a bit of a shift in sentiment. Before we leave, we have only 1 minute to go. I just want to go back to what I think everyone should pay at least a little bit of attention to. Remember the VIX when it was trying to press the highs? It's now broken back underneath overnight lows. So you're back under overnight lows on the VIX and trending to the downside. So trending down on VIX, just pretty much, if you got a long that you like, everything here is saying we're still looking pretty good. Now, whether we get down into the 30s again, who knows? I can tell you, I can't remember seeing UVXY ever halted. But volatility halted, and that was kind of a sign of what the craziness that we were seeing on the VIX. So yeah, you're right back at those lows. If we don't trend back up here, like if this isn't bouncing off the bottom, I think you're holding on to the longs that you like.
All right, 30 seconds left. All right, so it sounds like we had some good days. Thank you to everybody for watching. We're going to be coming back at 2 o'clock. For now, though, you're going to have Joe. You're going to have Sharif, who's back in the building, so we're happy to have him back. And again, just thank you for the continued support here on the show, man. And we'll leave you with some big trades, right? So with only 5 seconds left, we're going to have some good jerk chicken right there, and I hope that the rest of you do as well. So for Neil, I'm Sean. Thanks, Adara. Thanks, Bears vs. Bulls. Thanks for me. All right. Decent job today for everybody.
I double checked. I got my stink bitten arm today. I forgot to mention. I just checked my phone.
Nice, good job there. I mean, I'm sure that's obviously well in the money now. So, all right, man. Yeah, congratulations. Good trading in the stink account. And let's go back over right now to the guys on the midday show. Ciao, everybody.
Smell it. Boom! What is up, beautiful people? Welcome to
It's a great time to refi your ride with Right Pat Credit Union. Receive a 1% rebate when you refinance your auto loan from another lender with Right Pat Credit Union. You can get up to $500 back. Plus, you can free up your budget with the option to defer payments for 90 days. Ready to refi your ride? We're with you. Stop by a member center or visit wpcu.coop/refi your ride to learn more and apply today.
Are you tired of paying for expensive tax software with hidden fees? It might be time to try something different. At freetaxusa.com, everyone qualifies for our free federal return, and filing a state tax return is less than $20. Want to try it for yourself? We make switching easy. You can import your tax information from your old service in just a few clicks. First, get a PDF copy of your tax return from last year. Second, start a secure account on freetaxusa.com. Third, use our free import feature to autofill your information. Filing will be as easy as if you had used us for years. Try it out today by visiting freetaxusa.com.